Yeah, today we're out here at Lake Metagoshi. We're doing hands-on, cutting down trees. I think they're ash trees that are all going to die anyway from the bugs that are in them. I'm Jesse Plain. I work at Nodak. I'm from Cavalier. Yeah, so yesterday we had classroom when we got here for a few hours and taught us like all the parts of a chainsaw, like how your chain works, kind of like on paper how you'd cut down a tree, more or less. Limbing, plucking, how to sharpen your chain and stuff like that. Just everything you'd really need to know for doing chainsaw work. We learned how to fall trees the correct way, the less dangerous way, as opposed to some other ways that guys have fallen trees before. Yeah, they're teaching us like tension and compression, like if you're trying to cut down a limb that has tension falling one way or the other way, and showing us like what direction the tree's gonna fall and what direction you can make the tree fall if you cut it the right way.
It's like somebody's trying to cut stuff in the trees.
I mean, we probably only cut down like 5 or 6 trees a year. It's mostly clear branches off lines and stuff like that. It's important so you can be safe, I'd say, for the main thing. And also you can be more efficient with the work that you do.